Come along with us for an unexpected journey across Delaware, Maryland, and then into Baltimore. Deloise, what's up? Welcome to Delaware, sign up ahead.
We just got to this beautiful state park and I'm really happy to be here, but if you know me, it won't come as a surprise that the first thing I start thinking about is what we're gonna eat. And I'm just like daydreaming about some tacos that I'm gonna make. And I was sitting here and Reed's talking about the state park and I was like, I'm gonna put cilantro on them and onion. Ooh, these are gonna be so good. That's me.
Pets prohibited.
Pets prohibited, oh no. That's not the right place for us. What's new? I'm making us tacos. And then we're trying to decide what we're doing next. We parked at the state park and there's beach access right here. Maybe we'll take the animals out for a second. It is really cold, so I don't think we're gonna spend too much time on the beach. It's a cool place to pull up and maybe watch the sunset before heading to, potentially we're gonna head to a brewery that Reed's Uncle Mark suggested that we go to called Dogfish, right?
Yeah.
Dogfish Brewery, which is not too far from where we are. Were you able to see what time it says that closes?
No, I'm looking up facts about Delaware.
Reed's looking up facts about Delaware, so stay tuned on that, I guess.
There's only 1 million people in Delaware.
Whoa. It's the second smallest state. First is Rhode Island, which is somewhere else we want to go. If we get to Rhode Island, it will be our 41st state that we've been to in the van, and it also is the last place on the East Coast, the last state that we haven't been to. Does that make sense? It's time for me to cook. Have yourself a very Merry Christmas.
Thrasher's French fries. When it comes to French fries in Delaware, not are all created equal. Thrasher's fries in Rehoboth are legendary beach snack. They're thick, fresh cut fries are fried with peanut oil and sprinkled with salt for maximum deliciousness. If you want to eat them like a local, reach for the vinegar instead of the ketchup.
So we know we have to go there. Rehoboth Beach, we're coming for you. We just finished eating. No, I didn't film it because we were starving. We're gonna let the animals out, Bella and Rita. I'm sorry, Rita's not coming. We're gonna let Lucy and Bella out and we're gonna walk on the beach for a little bit before heading to Dogfish Brewery, which we still have to look up what time that closes. My knee! These three want to run all over the beach. Bella always gets hyper on the beach. I hurt my knee, unfortunately, about a month back, and it still hurts, but they're gonna run to their heart's content. And it makes me so happy to see Lucy having fun on the beach. And as you know, Bella loves the beach.
You're killing me.
Come on, Luce!
I'm so tired. Yeah. Oh, it hurts.
Lucy's not even close to done.
Can't even.
She's not even breathing hard.
No. Your turn.
Yeah, right.
Come on.
Not with my knee. Let's go to the water.
Lucy, come on, touch the ocean.
Should Reed and I do a polar plunge today? Yeah. I said it and I immediately said no. We're not gonna do all that. But it's still really nice to be here.
Lucy.
Sand dunes.
Lucy is a Arkansas dog, as you all know. So we have no idea if she's ever been to the beach.
The way she's acting, I doubt it. She just wants to go to the sand dunes.
Yeah.
She's looking for the forest.
She does not care about the ocean.
We're headed to our sleep spot, and that's all she wrote. We'll check back in the morning. We are taking the dogs on a walk around this area. It is a beautiful day. There's a little bit of a chill in the air, but overall it's pretty warm. And we're gonna walk on the beach. There's a boardwalk.
Warm as in 50 degrees?
Yeah, warm, winter warm. You know what I mean?
We're at the pier. We got some birthday presents for our friend. She leave me alone? Why is she leaving me?
I can't believe they have 3.
Dogfish Head has 3 locations here. One is a restaurant, Chesapeake and Maine. They have an emporium, which looks like it just sells merchandise, beer, and distilled drinks and beverages, spirits. And then they have the brewery and eatery. Is that what it is?
Brewings and Eats.
Brewings and Eats. I think this is the original place. I'm not too sure though.
Distillery menu, brew pub exclusives.
Cheers.
We are here at Dogfish Head Brewery, and they have a full menu. Ooh. A full food menu. How is it?
I got maple bourbon and strong. I don't know why I didn't get a beer when I came to a brewery and I got it.
Did you look on the beer side at all or no?
No, I just saw that and I was like, ooh, maple spice rum sounds good. Oh, it's rum, it's not bourbon. I never usually get hard alcohol. It's always, I'm pretty much a beer drinker, so it's
That's
pretty
gonna
random.
knock us out tonight. I guess I'm driving. We don't have to go far. We slept just a block away from here. It is free during the off season, and it's super close. So we were able to walk over here, which is nice.
And now we're sitting inside of a barrel watching USA beat Iran and enjoying ourselves.
What, in the World Cup?
Yeah, World Cup. That'll date this video. Right now, It is almost halftime, and USA is up 1-0. 25% off burgers and pizza today, so
we just finished up at Dogfish Head Brewery, and what's so sweet is our server, she gave us 2 pint glasses. We haven't opened them yet, so we'll open them once we get to the van, but she wrapped them for us and she gave us them for free, which is really sweet. This was a 10 out of 10 experience. If you are in Delaware, I do highly recommend Dogfish Head Brewery. Cute.
alright, missed the goal. Let's unveil these mugs. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Dogfish Head.
We are on our way to Baltimore to surprise Devon. We are an hour away and we are really looking forward to it. I'm not sure if he's off our scent because we think he already knows that we're coming, but we're not 100%, but we're pretty sure. Either way, it's gonna be amazing to see him. We're really looking forward to it. We're gonna be there in about an hour and we will check in right then. Bye. For context, Devon has been living in Lebanon for the past 3 years, but when we found out he would be moving back to the United States, we knew we had to do whatever it took to surprise him on his birthday in his new home in Baltimore. It's been a long time coming, but we have finally arrived. We're close, huh?
We're turning onto his street right now. We'll see, we haven't really coordinated anything. We're just gonna knock on the door, I guess. No stopping, no stopping. So we park right here.
Yeah, right here. I am so excited.
Don't be too loud, I can hear you. Don't be too loud.
Oh, I have to be quiet.
You're a liar. Oh my god! What on earth? I knew you knew something! What the?
That's right.
We got you
I'm
again.
so confused! I'm so shook!
Happy birthday.
Hello?
Hi.
Do you want to see something crazy?
Yeah.
He was so shocked.
What? I was surprised.
I bet. How'd you guys know where you live?
Hey friends, I'm Devon, Denise and Reed's good friend. This weekend, we're spending time in Baltimore, Maryland. Did you know that Baltimore, Maryland is famous for its blue crab? Come with us as we try some tonight.